Guys, I'm here with the candidates. So, kumusta yung rehearsals niyo for the finals night?
Medyo nakakapagod kasi ang daming ulit pero at the same time enjoy naman. So, I'll see you guys tomorrow for the finals.
How about the steps?
The
Mahirap pa.
steps, madali lang yung steps. Sadyang wala lang sa focus. Pero yeah, it's good, it's good.
Sabagay, we understand hindi lahat dancers. Thank you.
Thank you.
And, Mr. Romblon, so kumusta?
Medyo pagod. Pero okay lang kasi masaya. Kasama ko yung mga kakandidates. Masaya kami.
So, Aja for tomorrow. How about you, Mr. Western Pangasinan?
Ayun po, pagod din po, pero ayun, nakakasunod naman. Kasi basic lang yung steps, kaya ano na lang, let's do our best tomorrow.
Are you enjoying?
I'm enjoying.
Yeah, that's the most important, diba? Thank you so much, Mr. Western Pangasinan Noel. And let's have Rash Morales from Surigao del Norte. Kumusta?
Hello, pageant trend. Yeah, I'm doing great, but I'm very tired right now. The practice is very stressing, but we need to do this to have a very wonderful performance tomorrow.
How about sa mga steps? Nahirapan ka ba?
Actually, I'm not a dancer, but I'm doing my best to give my best moves for tomorrow night, the coronation night.
Are you excited na ba?
Yeah, I'm very excited for tomorrow, and see you tomorrow.
Yeah, see you tomorrow and best of luck. Let's have Davao City, John Steve Castaño. Kumusta?
All good.
How was the steps? Madali lang bang memorize?
Super. Walang hassle.
Do you used to dance ba?
Hindi. To be honestly, yung pinaka-hate ko is dancing, but the steps are very easy and convenient.
So, best of luck tomorrow. Galingan mo sa sayaw.
I will.
Thank you.
Hi, pageant friend! Hello, good evening!
Batangas. Kumusta? Kumusta yung rehearsals niyo?
Happy kami na tapos na namin, alam na namin yung mga segments, yung pagkakasunod-sunod, and pagod kami and very excited for tomorrow. Abangan nyo kami bukas, guys. Catch up as on live sa pageant friend media.
Pero you did enjoy for the final rehearsal?
Yes, I do.
Meron pa ba kayo tomorrow? Or
Siguro pinaka-technical rehearsal before the freshen up and
You want to
makeup.
start na, tapos you can bring your food na lang or your room para
Let's have
makapagpahinga na kayo.
Laguna.
Gusto nyo?
Kumusta?
Kaysa
Medyo pagod pero worth it.
waiting tayo ng food, iran na natin yung dahon, and then
pa?
after that,
Sa
yung food nyo, ibigay na lang
excited
sa room
po ako
nyo
sa
para makapag-rest na kayo.
outcome
Okay?
for tomorrow
Okay.
sa
One
coronation.
last na,
Dahil ang ganda po
one
na
more
ang
run,
magaling po
tapos
nagtuturo sa amin.
pahinga na tayo. Let's go!
Abangan niyo po tomorrow ang result.
Thank you so much. And Simon na naman ulit.
Let's go, let's go! I love you. Patawag na mga SM.
Nag-enjoy ka, di ba?
Sobrang enjoy ako kasi kasama ka na.
Hey, how was the steps?
On the top,
Madali lang ba?
opening,
Yung steps,
Oo. Siyempre, as a
Flow na
dancers, di
tayo,
ba?
Pag nakita
Richard.
kita mamaya, gusto ko
Opening,
mag-flying
tapos
kiss sa'yo.
swimwear.
Maganda ako sa'yo, okay?
Diretso
Thank
natin
you so much. I
yung
love you so much,
Thank you.
Lalo.
swimwear. Tapos after